Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to clear the app data on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on iPhone Storage, and from here just select the app of which you want to clear the data. For an example, let's select TikTok. Now as you can see, the initial size of the app is 1.6 GB. Now to clear the app data, just tap on it, then tap on Delete App and select Delete. Now after you delete the app, then go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now in the search bar, just search the name of the app which we have deleted. Now just download it back on your iPhone. Now if you go to the home screen and open the settings, as you can see, the size of the TikTok app has been reduced by almost 1 GB. And this is the only way to clear the app data on the iPhone. And this is how you can clear the app data on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.